Hi guys, good day. I am Philip Roy Padrones and you can call me Coach Philip. I am the founders of Team Dynamics. Welcome to our company, Grinders Guild. Right now po, i-share ko po sa inyo yung company, yung mga founders, and at the same time, yung pinaka-amazing na products po natin, which is very effective po at talagang marami nang natulungan sa market. Okay? Let's start. No? Always think positive lang po and let's open our mind, no, para mas maintindihan po natin yung ating business. Okay? Now, ito po yung office natin. Located in Door 13, second floor, CBA Building, JP Lowell, Davao City. You heard it right po, no? This is a Mindanao-based company. I'm very proud kasi nag-start po tayo sa Davao City and we are expanding Visayas, Luzon, okay? Even international, no? Because our product is hindi po basta-basta at yung company po natin. Okay? Now, ito po yung chairman po natin, no? Hindi rin po basta-basta. Colonel Shane Animas. He is a military. Then, security background. Retired army officer. Konti na lang po, mag-general na po siya. Kaya lang mas nag-focus po siya sa business. He served 20 years in active duty in Philippine Military Academy. Then, graduate siya. Last assignment niya po is Presidential Security Group or PSD. Now, academic professional qualification. Kung titignan po natin yung experience or yung expertise po niya, bachelor's degree, major in computer science, sa PMA rin po yun. Master's degree in entrepreneurship at Ateneo de Manila University. Hindi basta-basta po. Okay? Then, advanced specialization training in United States in Army. Pagdating naman po sa business, business leadership and entrepreneurship niya po, Chief Architect CEO of Asia Pac Group Companies, covering multiple industry. Asia Pac Technologies Corporation, meron po siyang IT solution, no? Then, Asia Pac Agri Ventures, one-person corporation. Meron, isa po sila sa may pinakamalaking shrimp farming and aquaculture dito po sa Jensan. Okay, actually po si Colonel is from Jensan din po siya. Okay, then they have also an Animas Brother Construction Corporation or infrastructure. Ibig sabihin po, ang atin pong chairman is talagang negosyante po talaga. Okay? Now, very credible po na tao. And then, syempre yung founders po natin, the industry experts po. We have VP Carlo Romano for marketing.